Hyper Knights, Darklands, Warcube, Risen, Long live the Queen, Demonheart, Gryphon Knight Epic, First Castilla Maldita Castilla EX, Shovel Knight Treasure Trove, Knightmare Tower, Knights of Honor, Lords of the Realm Roman II, Rogue Legacy, Thief Gold, Northgard, Thief Roman II, Metal Age, For Honor, Banished, Chivalry Medieval Warfare, Mount and Blade, Age of Empires Roman II HD, Stronghold Crusader, Stronghold HD, Medieval Roman II Total War, Kingdom Come Deliverance, The Witcher 3 Wild Hunt.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.